Before we start, I want you to remember that you need to subscribe so you know when I'm coming in again. But it is every day. Yes, I'm doing these so many times. A lot, I promised. Okay? So on with our exercise. This exercise is going to be slow. I'm not going to play the notes for you. Before I go, I'm just going to play the chords, okay? So it's before I go, honey. You need to take a breath. Support your tones. Remember to keep the body up so the rib cage does not come down and hamper you from being able to support the tones. Even though you're going to sing light on this one, I want you to sing in head and falsetto. I want you to sing nice and easy as you go up. So remember to keep light, not get loud, where a lot of times I'll say, no, sing nice and loud. You've got to lighten up early on this. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to start not too low. Here we go. Before I go, before I go, before I go, light, before I go, nice and easy. Really bright, don't get loud. Before I go, before I go. Body is up. Take a big breath. Down. I'm going up. Oh my gosh, let's go up. Before I go. One more, let's go. Before I go. Back down now. Before I go. Before I go. Keep the body up. Don't get loud. Okay? Before I go, before I go, before I go. One more, let's see. Again. We need to go a few more. Light, light. Before I go, before I go, before I go. One more. Before I go. Notice I didn't really get loud on the chest voice down there. I was in chest voice, but I allowed a little air to come in and caress the sound. So every time it's different. You can approach each of these exercises any way you want. I'm showing you the way that I like them, but maybe you want to use them in a different way. Go ahead, use them in a different way. All you need to do is number 1, don't strain. Number 2, make sure that you support. Keep your mouth open. Warm your muscles before you push them and do something that's really hard on the voice. And always, 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 always warm up before you sing, honey. Okay, you must always warm up. It makes a big difference. You go into the studio, you gotta warm up. You'll notice the difference, okay? You have a great singing day. And it is such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, you've got to subscribe and ring that bell. Okay. Bye-bye.